Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make these amazing pretzel dogs. And there's just a few basic ingredients that you need, so if you're looking for a new treat to have for holidays or just any special occasions, stay tuned. So for ingredients, you're going to need pizza dough. Now I'm just choosing this simple pizza dough that was like $2 at Vons. And then next you're going to need some hot dogs, and you can choose any hot dogs of your own personal preference. I'm using the Hebrew National Beef Franks. And then of course you're going to need to beat an egg because this is what's going to allow the salt to stick on the dough. And lastly, you're going to need baking soda, flour, salt, parchment paper, and a cutting board of your choice. Also make sure the salt is kosher and don't forget butter. The first step is to take your flour and to put it on the board. And you're going to use your fingers to just spread that throughout. Now I'm going to take my dough and I'm turning the bag inside out. And that just makes it easier to get out of the bag. And then I'm just going to flop my dough onto the board. It's going to soak up the flour, and I'm going to work on kneading the dough. And I take the inside palm of my hands and press into it to spread it out. Okay, so now I'm going to treat it like the pizza dough that it actually is. I'm going to take my fist, swirl it around on my fist. Now you want to be very patient at this part because it does take some time. I'm going to try to form this into a rectangle the best that I can. And now I'm going to be taking more flour and I'm applying that to the dough. And you want to be very careful not to cause any breakage to the dough. As you can see here, I have to fill in that little bit of a hole, and then I proceed to just go along the outer edges using my fingertips to stretch out the dough even more. Next, I'm taking the pizza cutter, and I'm going to use this to slice the dough. I'm going to check how many hot dogs I have, and then for each hot dog, I'm going to create a slice. And be very careful at this part because you don't want to injure yourself. Keep in mind, it's never going to be perfect, but that's okay because you can always touch up the dough. Right now, I'm just going to add a little bit more flour to the dough. I'm going to make sure I shape the dough even a little bit more. And then lastly, I'm going to flip over the dough so it can soak up as much flour as possible. So next up, as you can see from the pile on the left, I've done this repetitively. I take my hot dog, I roll it in some flour, then I take the dough, and I just carefully wrap it around the hot dog. Once that's done, I put it back on the board, and I'm going to go ahead and roll that up in the flour, just so that I can get some better consistency. So I'm going to make sure that I have a pot of boiling water. And then I'm going to take some pure baking soda, and I'm going to dabble about 5 to 6, maybe 7 amounts in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take each individual hot dog one at a time. I'm going to put it into the pot of boiling water with the baking soda. I'm going to wait for 20 seconds. After that 20 seconds is up, I'm going to pull it out and then proceed to take the next one. So what this allows for is it actually just helps the dough cook better when it's baking. So after the fourth one is done, I'm going to be taking the last two and I'm going to be putting them into the pot at the same time just to speed up this process. And then I'm waiting here, and then I'm just going to take them out and they're all done. Now on to the next step. Go ahead and turn on your oven, set it to 425, and you're going to prepare to cook these for 15 minutes. Now that that's done, I'm going to be taking that beaten egg, and I'm going to be using a brush to just apply this to the dough. And this will allow the salt to stick on to the dough when it's being cooked in the oven. And right here, I'm just separating each and every hot dog so that they don't stick together when I put them in the oven. And then next we're just gonna grab our salt. Whatever kind you have will do. I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle that on. I'm gonna make sure I get a lot on there because with this type of salt that I have, it's not super thick, so I'll need a lot of it. Now we're going to finally put these in the oven. Once again, we're baking at 425. And we're gonna put these in for a good 15 minutes. We're gonna close it up nice and tight. So now that that's done, we've got them out of the oven. We're gonna take any butter that's around and we're going to melt the butter in a bowl and then use a brush to spread the butter onto the nice and fluffy pretzel dogs. There you have, bon appetit, you're ready to eat. So this is the taste test. Now, let me tell you, it is amazing. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The ingredients will be listed in the down bar, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.